What do you want? Tell me again.
Don't move me.
My ball has blue and white.
And you're Supergirl?
That's what everybody thinks that. I'm a girl.
Yes.
And I can get it. I don't hurt myself.
Yes, you will hurt yourself in there.
No, I'm Supergirl.
You're not Supergirl.
Everyone call me Supergirl.
Who?
Brianna, Luke, and Eric, and Brandy.
They never did.
Yeah, Heather. Brandy's my friend and Luke's my friend.
They are?
Yeah, they're Supergirl like me and Luke.
You super? You can lift heavy stuff?
No, that's a little ball down there. Because I want it.
You can't have it.
Yes, it's a toy. I found it outside yesterday. And I was sitting by my table.
Well, how'd it get down there?
Because Jim dropped it down there.
How did Jaden get it?
Good girl. Are you ready for dinner?
Yeah.
I go to the cracker.
Then I can make a mess. I'm gonna pinch your cheeks.